So here you are, walking along thinking you've got it all figured out. Because you know that 3 plus 0 is 3 and 6 times 0 is 0. Maybe you even know that 4 raised to the power 0 is 1, and if you're really lucky you know that 0 factorial is 1. But then it hits you. Why can't I divide by 0? It seems like a pretty tough mathematical question. But the idea, like most things, becomes much easier when you consider it in terms of pizza. Consider your division problem, with a pizza in the numerator and the number of portions in the denominator. As we all know from dimensional analysis, that should leave you with a unit of pizzas per portion, or the amount of pizza each person will eat. For example, if you were to split a pizza into a single portion, then each portion would be an entire pizza. It would be the whole circle. But if you were to split a pizza between two people, two portions, then you would wind up with 1/2 pizzas per portion. It would be a half of the circle. Of course, the same sort of principle works for non-whole numbers. What if your girlfriend only wants half of the pizza you want? Then you're splitting the pizza into 1½ portions. That's 1 pizza per 1.5 portions, or, more properly, 2/3 of a pizza per portion. 2/3 of the circle is a single portion. And that makes sense, doesn't it? 1.5 is equal to 1 plus 0.5, so we must be looking to cut the pizza into 1 to 1½ portions. If a portion is 2/3 of a pizza, half a portion must be 1/3 of a pizza. We may notice that 2/3, which is the size of a portion, plus 1/3, which is the size of a half portion, is 1, the whole pizza. And of course, we understand that when we divide by a negative number, we're pretty much multiplying the original division problem by -1, and that negative shows up everywhere else. But what about dividing a pizza into 0 portions? What could that possibly mean? When we attempt to divide by 0, what we're really doing is trying to take a physical object, here a pizza, and cut it in such a way that when we're done cutting, we've eliminated the existence of the pizza entirely. We have broken an object into 0 pieces. We've produced a pizza that is there, but suddenly disappears after being split into pieces. A ghost pizza. And what do your parents say about ghosts? They say that they do not exist.
Created using PowToon.